केशव पदमर्दन्यम्
जल्दी चलना पड़ेगा। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। शब्द हो रहा है ना जैसा जरूरत नहीं।
अरे घर में तो 5 मिनट।
So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now our Jagannath Puri Parikrama is end, now finished. This is the last place of darshan in our Jagannath Puri. Time is over also. Evening, Gundicha Mandir,
Corner cannot allow.
You cannot go. If you want, you can go, if you like. But now 11 o'clock, almost. And foreigners, they are not allowed to go also inside. Just if you want, you can go as you like. You are free. स्वतंत्र दी गई आपको। So now we have come. This place is called the birthplace of Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada. Actually, this is the place is called the Bhakti Vinod Bhavan. Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He was staying in this place, and Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he was born in this place. This very super excellent, auspicious place. We also, the parikrama very nice. We have no plan to go to Lokanath Shiva, but Lokanath Shiva, he is very merciful. He is saying, oh, you have got Jagannath Puri, but why not take darshan to me? So he also the Google Baba brought me. Understand? Then we are thinking what to do. Then some people are very close, only 5 minutes from Lokanath Baba to Paramananda Puri. Now we have come here also. And very nice. Actually, this is a very spiritual, auspicious place. Paramananda Puri place. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, if anyone will come Jagannath Puri, must come Paramananda Puri place. That is the Bhajan Kutir of Paramananda Puri, who was the sannyas disciples of Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra Puripad, prominent 9 sannyasis. Among the 9 sannyasis, Madhavendra, what is called? Paramananda Puripad Puri is very prominent. So now coming is here, the birthplace of Lord Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada. And Bhakti Vinoder Daya Karo Vichar Vichar Koire Chitte Paive Chamatkar. You have to consider about this mercy of Bhakti Vinod Thakur, then your heart will be overjoyed. Because Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he brought Golok Vrindavan two things. First, he brought Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada from Golok Vrindavan. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada is the very dearest of Srimati Radhika. That is called Nayan Mani Manjari. So, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he is also very dearest of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. That is called Kamal Manjari. And Srimati Radhika sent to her to preach the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he came and he also requested to Srimati Radhika, how possible I will alone preach the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Give me your very nearest and dearest one Sakhi, Nayan Mani Manjari. So Srimati Radhika, she agreed. Then Srimati Radhika, she sent Nayan Mani Manjari to her. Actually, this is our Vaishnava Tattva Siddhanta. But according in this material world, Lokavattu Lila Koivalam, Lord Bhagavan and his devotee, they also perform as a human being Lila, Manav Lila. So in this human being Lila, we are looking what is the relationship with Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. That is called father and son relationship. Actually, both they are the eternal associate of Srimati Radhika's Sakhis and Manjaris. But local Lila understand. At the human being pastimes, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, once he prayed to Lord Jagannath, hey Lord Jagannath, you give one son and who will assist my preaching Nam Sankirtan. Because Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he opened many Nam Hatta, Nam Hatta preaching center and this thing. Then Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he prayed to Bimala Devi. And who is the Bimala Devi? The consort of Jagannath. Jagannath ki Sakti Bimala Devi. When you are entered in the side of the temple, Bimala Devi Mandir is there. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he prayed to Bimala Devi, the consort of Lord Jagannath, give one son. ऐसे पुत्र दो जो पुत्र जगत क्यों आपके नाम आपके महिमा आपके धाम आदि प्रचार प्रसार करें. You give one son who will preach your name, your dham, everything. Then by the causeless mercy of Bimala Devi, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he received this son. For this regard, Bhakti Vinod Thakur gave his son's name Bimala Prasad. Bimala means that because Jagannath Dev consort name is Bimala Devi. Actually Jogmaya. Or Srimati Radhika herself also. Srimati Radhika's also name is also Bimala Devi. Jogmaya's name also Bimala Devi. And Jagannath consort also name is called Bimala Devi. Prasad means mercy. So this is the mercy of Bimala Devi. For this regard, Bhakti Vinod Thakur gave his son's name Bimala Prasad. Very nice, beautiful pastimes also here. When Bimala Prasad born only 6 months, then during Rasayatra, Jagannath chariot came here. 3 days, Lord Jagannath chariot not moved 1 inch, just stopped in one place. Then Bhakti Vinod Thakur, just he brought his son Bimala Prasad and lay down on the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. Then 6 months baby just embraced to Lord Jagannath. Then Lord Jagannath garland fell down on his neck. 6 महीने बालक के भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर जगन्नाथ जी के चरण में जब अर्पित कर दिया और बालक भी छोटा बालक भी जगन्नाथ जी को ऐसे आलिंगन करने लगे और जगन्नाथ जी के माला गले के माला उस बालक के गले पर बोलो जगन्नाथ देव की
जय।
और साथ ही साथ जगन्नाथ जी के रथ जो है अपने आप चलना शुरू कर दिया एंड ऑटोमेटिकली जगन्नाथ चैरियट स्टार्ट टू मूव। बोलो जगन्नाथ देव की जय।
बाद की
So this is the place, birthplace of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. And he also very learned scholar, only 5 years old. Then Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he learned all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita. Only 5 years old. आपके एक श्लोक याद है कि नहीं है पता नहीं है, आधा भूल जाते हो। और 5 साल के बालक, only 5 years old, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he learned all the Shastra, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, everything. Bhaktivinoda Thakur and also gave him one mantra of Kurma mantra, because Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he also digging this is what is called, वस्तु के खोद रहा था, क्या बोलता है? That time he also found one Kurmadev Bhagavan. Understand? The deities of Kurmadev. Then he gave this deities to his son Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada and gave this mantra also, how to worship Kurmadev Bhagavan. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave him also Harinam to him. And every day Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he chanted and 1 lakh holy names. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada Nitya Pratta 1 lakh Harinam करते थे. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. 1 lakh हरिनाम करते. और अल्प वयस में सारे शास्त्र अध्ययन कर लिया. With his early age, he learned all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everything in there. 11 साल वयस में संस्कृत के विद्वान हो गए. When he was only 11 years old, then he learned all Sanskrit. हमारे तो एक संस्कृत शब्द उच्चारण नहीं होता. और Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, when he was only 11 years old, then he learned all Sanskrit knowledge, everything. Even his post of Calcutta University Sanskrit, that is called what post?
वाइस चांसलर. वाइस चांसलर
संस्कृत के जो क्या बोले ग्रह नक्षत्र के जो है एस्ट्रोलॉजी, ज्योतिष विद्या के पद के लिए उनको आशुतोष बंदोपाध्याय उसके बहुत आग्रह प्रकाश किया, निमंत्रण किया. इन कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी, the vice chancellor of Calcutta University, Ashutosh Bandyopadhyay, he also invited him to take the chair of astronomy. But Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he told, I have come in this material world not to just the counting the movement of stars and planets. I have come here to fulfill the dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and preach the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he did not accept. The Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University Sanskrit Department, Ashutosh Bandyopadhyay, he told, Ye Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, until you live in this material world, this chair will be reserved for you. No one can accept your chair. जब तक भक्तिवेदांत प्रभुपाद इस जगत संसार में थे, तब तक उनकी वो चेयर कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी के ज्योतिष विभाग की जो चेयर पद, चेयर माने पद है, उनके लिए संरक्षित रखा गया है. जब तक वो जीवित कोई बैठेंगे उनके सम्मान के लिए. दिस इज द ऑनर फॉर दिस फॉर द कलकत्ता वाइस चांसलर Ashutosh Bandyopadhyay. He reserved that पद माने post. Then Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he took Diksha mantra from Gaurakiroddas Babaji Maharaj, you know these things. And Then he also preached the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And first he preached in Kalistan, Calcutta. And Gauradas Babaji Maharaj told him, don't go Kalistan, Calcutta. But Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada first established a temple in Calcutta, Bagbazar, Gaudiya Math. Then he also established many temples all over the world. About 64 temples he established. That as like 64 limbs of bhakti. In the same way, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he established 64 temples all over the world. And he preached against the Sahajya, Sukhi, Bheki, Mayavadi, Kutarkik, and Apasampradayas. And for this regard, sometimes Smartha Brahmanas, Babaji, they tried to kill to him. But Bhakti, Pradhan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, then Vinod Bihari, Brahmachari, also protected him. This katha you heard many times. This. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he preached this thing. So I told, the Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he brought two things from Golok Vrindavan. One is that Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he brought. Or another thing, he brought from Golok Vrindavan Suddha Bhakti. Bhakti Vinoder Dhara Jalasankadhar Niravadi Bhahitar Rudha Nahi Ar. Bhakti Vinoder Dhara, the stream of the Suddha Bhakti Vinod Thakur, still is also overflowing all over the world. And will never stop. Suddha Bhakti Dhara, he preached. Understand these things. Some Sahaja or Babaji Sampradaya told, hey Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, you are preaching very nice. Just you reduce some rules and regulations of your society. What is that?
Tea.
Just give the permission to smoking and tea. Take the tea. Then you can get lot of disciples. But Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada told, I have no need this type of disciples. Eka chandra tama hunti natu tara ganai rupi. And in the night time only one moon rises. Then everything were completely illuminated. Or new moon time, millions stars, they are also giving the light illuminated, but cannot illuminated, cannot remove the darkness. पूर्णिमा के दिन एक चंद्रमा उदित होकर के सारा जगत के क्या कर देते हैं? आलोकित कर दे, प्रकाशित कर देते हैं. और अमावस्या में हजारों नक्षत्र आदि दिखाई पड़ता रहता है. How many? Millions. But there are millions nakshatra stars, they cannot remove the darkness. That means is what? जगत में शिष्य हो तो एक शिष्य हो तो सारा जगत के वो उलट पलट कर देते हैं. और हजारों शिष्य है उसमें कुछ लाभ नहीं होता है. तात्पर्य क्या है? तात्पर्य यह है, द सिग्निफिकेंस अबाउट दिस सब्जेक्ट, you have to become pure devotee. If you become pure devotee, then you can preach. Everybody eager to listen your Hari Katha. And you don't, you cheat the people. Because conditional soul, their nature is what? Cheating propensity. So you should not cheat the people. And preach, collect the flowers. Bhakti Vinod, Bhakti Siddhanta, Bhakti Vinod, how is it called? Bhakti Pradhan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. Your duty to bring the flowers. And I will make the garland and offer to divine couple, Radha Krishna. Radha Krishna Pranamor Jugal Kishora Jivane Marane Goti Nahi Radha Krishna Pranamor Radha Krishna, they are my heart and soul. The couple divine Radha and Krishna, they are my heart and soul. Radha Krishna Pranamor Jugal Krishna. Kathiya Malatir Mala Diva Duhar Gale. Nathan Das Thakur sang this song. I will make the garland of garland the flowers of Madhavi Malati and offer to divine couple Radha and Krishna. राधा कृष्ण के गले में मालती पुष्प और माधवी पुष्प की माला गांथ करके इसलिए राधा कृष्ण प्रणव जुगल किशोर जन जीवने मरणे आर गति गांतिया मालतीर माला दिव तुम्हारे गले अधरे तुलिया दिव कुरकुरतम बोले दिस इज द सर्विस and I will make very nice beautiful pan prasad, you know, pan and bitter gourd, and offer to the lotus face of divine called Radha and Krishna. That means is one. Everybody should bring the flowers and offer to Guru Pada. Then Gurudev, he will make the garland and offer to divine Radha and Krishna. This is the significance about this verse. So Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Prabhupada, he preached all over the world. He made many disciples. And he sent all the disciples around the world and preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So every disciple have duty and responsibilities to collect the flowers. What are the flowers? Bring the conditional soul. Preach Hari Katha प्रचार करो, लोग तुम्हारे पास आएगा. If you preach Hari Katha, then people will come in front of you. Then you take their heart and offer to Guru, and Gurudev, who will make very nice, beautiful garland, then offer to divine couple, Radha and Krishna. So Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, in this way, he made many disciples and sent to them to all over the world and preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And for this cause, this is called Bhakti Vinod Daya Karha Vichar Karile Chitte Paibe Po Chamatkar. Your heart will be overjoyed if you listen the Tattva Siddhanta or Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada. Bolo Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada ki jai, jai jai Shri Ram. Now we'll go to the temple. For those who are going to Bhubaneswar, our flight, whose flight at Bhubaneswar tomorrow? Those who want to go to Bhubaneswar with me, because tomorrow, actual today our parikrama finish. So, do you understand? Tomorrow after breakfast, 7:30, you have to leave. Because our booking, these rooms, and check out what time? 7:30 a.m. Those who want to stay, they may put extra to contract with the, what is called, the manager of this temple. Actually, this is not our temple. We are rented, we are staying here, we are their guests. So if you want to stay, if you want to, you can, your risks, your responsibilities, and you pay what you want, you do. Or if you want to go to, so you have to contract with Sambhari or with Radhakanti Didi. Then tomorrow we have leave and to arrange some convents or something.
At 9:30. At 9:30. At 9:30.
What?
At 9:30.
I don't know. Tomorrow 9:30 we have to leave, proceed to Bhubaneswar and catch the flight and go to Delhi to Mathura. If you want to go to Mathura, Vrindavan, what do you want? You decide. But you have to come Bhubaneswar. Those who are by train or otherwise you can go back to our sea place, Gurudev temple. How many days you can want to stay? Also you may contact with their manager or who is the in charge with it. Good Preman. Jai Jagannath Dev ki Jai. Now we'll take one auto and go to direct to
पुरुषोत्तम मठ
Purushottam Mount. It was very hot and not good Preman. Not so much money, maybe 10 or 20 rupees they will ask charge. And then you have to take prasad. Don't delay. All you come to temple, take prasad and 12:30. Don't delay. Otherwise, rice will be too much rice will be eat. Tonight, actually now parikrama finished. Now you can go to the temple or you can buy some rasgulla, buy khaja, Jagannath prasad. You can also buy for your families what you want. You can.
वहाँ नहीं जाने के लिए वहाँ नहीं गया ना, इसके लिए दे दिया इन्होंने। ऐसे नहीं होता।
अरे वो तो 5 मिनट का रास्ता था।
बिल्कुल पास में था।
हम लोग तो सीधी घुमा करके उधर ले गया। उधर से हम 5 मिनट पहुँचे। आप जो बास की बात कर रहे हो ना, हम तो आ गया बिल्कुल। शिव जी हमें इतने जल्दी से पहुँचा दिया, हम तो
पता भी नहीं चला।
बस तो इन लोगों को पूछो, मैं घड़ी देख के लिए देखा।
टोटल 10 मिनट लगाया।
10:25 और 10 साढ़े 10 बजे हम आ गए। 5 मिनट पता नहीं शिव जी कैसे लगेंगे। हम सोचा बहुत दूर है।
उस मंदिर की स्थापना किसने की?
वही कोई इंद्रदुम्न महाराज।
शिला गुरुदेव की जय।